Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today we are going over canvas number 2. That's right, canvas, the second canvas in the series. It may not actually be number 2, but we're going to use our decision wheel to figure out which one we are going to uncover today. I just want to recap. These canvases are from the Spread the Love series that Tricia Richards and I are doing. Excuse me. Tricia has provided the canvases, and I have been asked to give them away. These canvases cannot be sold. Please do not sell them. They're not, I can make money off of them if I really wanted to. They're not meant to be made money off of. We just want to spread the love to people that can't afford premium canvas, who have never done a premium canvas, or if one of these canvases has just tugged on your heartstrings and it's something you really, really want, and because we all know about Dotz restock. You pop up, you get a notification on your phone, you go there, you get it, you put it in your cart, you hit pay, denied, it's been sold out. So if it's tugged on your heartstrings, it's something you really want, put in the comments, I want this one under this canvas. And I will email you. Well, you will email me because I don't have everybody's email. You will email me and we will discuss payment of shipping because you will be responsible for the shipping. The shipping can be, the flat rate's $15 for shipping. Okay. I'm not going to futz around with getting a receipt from the post office, emailing you a copy, because it could be $13.65 for shipping. I've also seen canvases go out for $17 for shipping. So we're just going to go $15 flat off the top. That's what you're going to have to pay. So with all that stuff out of the way, let's see which canvas we are going to do. Last week we did number 12. And today, oh, come on, phone. Today, we are going to do, okay, hold on, hopefully it makes noise. Number 11. Oh, I guess we're going backwards. We are going backwards in time, All right, we are going to hide that number because now we have 1 through 10 left. So we are gonna go backwards. Let me get number 11. Number 11, where are you, number 11? Found ya. Okay, number 11. Let us see. I will tell you, it is a Mandie Manzano. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So when I open canvases, I always try to just open from the bottom and I don't take the plastic completely off because I use the plastic as an extra layer of protection. All right, let's see. Okay. There's the big tube. Anything else in here? Hello? Nope, nothing else in there. All right, box, stay right there. Here it is. All Guineas do go to heaven by Mandie Manzano. 25.6 by 38.6. You know what that means? She's a big one. Here is your toolkit. And it's an old school toolkit. But you get the old school tweezers. Yes, you do. And you get the old school washi tape. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And it's a decent amount, too. I've seen them come pretty skimpy. Yep. And here's your pen with your squishy, which I can't get on, and we're not going to worry about that. And you get a cute little cover minder. Yay! And you get your, whoopsie. I like these containers, but they're not always on tight. Sometimes you can turn them upside down and they come off, but you get a heart container and you get 2 things of wax. Or, yeah, wax. I do like the pink wax. I really do, but I really like Diamond Art Club's clear wax now. And you get these trays. This is a nice tray. I have noticed when if you leave the stopper in to pour them out, just lift it up a little bit and pour, and your diamonds, 90% of them will come out. So you just put it down, shake them, lift it up again and go down, and your drills will continue to come out. So you don't have to physically take that out all the time. That's just something I have learned. Now, of course, when you try it, it won't work because that's just the way my life is. People will go, wait a minute, it doesn't work for me. Yeah, well, sometimes it doesn't. Multi-placers, you get a 3, and I think this is a 7. It is a 7. So I like these. They're thin. And they work well for square and round canvases. And you get your bag of baggies. So that's what comes in your toolkit. Everything you need to diamond paint. If you've never diamond painted before, you get everything you need. Now the baggies obviously are not going to be enough for kitting up your project. It'll be good for leftover drills because most people don't save all their drills. Some people do, but some people don't. I save all my Diamond Art Club drills or Dreamer Design drills from premium kits. And I am going to put this little sticker in this bag because I am. Okay. So everything is in your little bag right here, your bag of tricks. So that is your toolkit. This is your painting. All right, let's see what she looks like. And this is a nice soft canvas. Can you hear that? It's soft. It's very soft feeling on the back. And I'm unrolling it the right way. How about that, guys? I'm doing it the right way. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay. She has got 53 colors, 2 fairy dusts, and 2 ABs. Oh, she is pretty. Pretty. Oh, and she's holding a little guinea pig. It looks like a guinea pig right here. I mean, you can make it what you want. You know, just carry the color of the animal up this way. You can make it a little rabbit if you wanted. But it's really cute. We all know what those are. Those are the drills necessary to complete the project. She is big and beautiful. Look at the wings. Look at those wings. I bet you there's fairy dust in these wings. N and A. Nope, there is not. 1 and 2. There is ABs. There are ABs in these wings. Yep, there sure is. All up in here is all ABs. All ABs. Pretty, pretty. This is all ABs, all that white. Pretty. And then we got N and A, which is like a pink and a white. Okay, here is the A's right in here. So they're going to be in here. In the background is going to be fairy dust. And in the center right here, I don't know what that is, but it's gone. She is pretty and big. Oh my Lanta, is she big. But if you are a Mandie Manzano fan, you might want to hop on this wagon. All right, let me try to do what I always do. Let's look this way and let's see if I can give you a big picture. Well, let's go this way. I have to get off the chair. You know me. Okay, here we go. Look at her. Look at that gown. Pretty. Again, if you are a Mandie Manzano fan, you might want to grab this one. Oh, she is so pretty. Okay. Let's look at the color palette. That's actually my favorite part of unboxings is the color palette, especially if I'm on the edge on whether or not I want it. The color palette usually is the deciding factor for me. Because if you know me, I don't really like dark colors. So here's your... Oh, sorry about that. We're going the wrong way, Nancy. You're going the wrong way. There we go. There she is in all her glory. 53 colors. 2 ABs and 2 fairy dust. This is a thank you for your purchase, but the warranty will not apply to you. I am sorry, you are not the purchaser. But if you need colors, you can buy diamonds from Diamond Art Club. They sell them, but you have to message them on Facebook, I believe. Don't mark my words. I've never asked them. Well, they do sell spare diamonds. You have to go into the accessory part of their website, and they have plain Jane diamonds. They have fairy dust diamonds. They have AB diamonds. So you can buy extras. You can also go to... there is a group out there, I don't know what it's called, where you can get diamonds. This is the colors. Aren't they pretty? Here we go. I know they look a little dark on the camera, but they are not. And they all come with a label right on it. It tells you what they are, that these do match the canvas. So there is a lot of bags because of the size. The physical number of diamonds is not a lot. It's 53. So that's not horrible. There's quite a few bags of 310. If you're a 310 lover, this might be for you. Here is an AB, the white. There's 2 bags of those. Let's see if I can find any of the other special drills for you. Here is a fairy dust. number 597. So fairy dust have the glitter baked into the drill. Excuse me. ABs have it sitting on the surface. That's why ABs are a little harder to place. But you can place it. Just keep a wet paper towel next to your canvas, and you just take your pen, dip it in the paper towel. Don't put wax in it, just water. Dip it in the paper towel, and there you go. It will work. That one looked like a fairy dust, but it is not. Some of their drills are just so sparkly, and they're not fairy dust, but that's okay. Because when they're all on that canvas, it is going to look beautiful. And I'm having a hard time finding them. Oh, there's more of 141. 141. 141. There's a bag here. Oh, there's a bunch of bags. There's like 4 or 5 bags of 141. Oh my goodness. Sparkly. Can you say sparkly? So, let's see if we can come down a little closer. There we go. Because I don't want to take them out because I won't be able to get them back in. And then we'll have to ship 2 packages, and I don't want to do that. I really suck at putting these back in. But I'm really looking for the special drills. Here's one. Here's one of the special guys. This one is a fairy dust. And there's 1 bag. So we found 3 of them. Lots of red. 2 bags of red. 1, 2. There's probably 6 bags of 310. So if you like 310, and $37.99 is a dark one, but it's a pretty one. Look. It's a pretty one. Let me see. Okay, I'll have to call her back. So, yeah. You guys are an 823. There's some dark colors, but there's just as many bright colors. It's a good mix. Good mix. Whoever gets this is going to love it, especially if you're a Mandie Manzano fan. I have a Mandie Manzano that I'm waiting to do a Mandie Manzano event with. It is Mother Did You Know, or Did You Know? Mother Did You Know? I think is what it's called. Mother Did You Know? So I'm going to have to tape this because it's not staying anymore. So this is canvas number 2 by Mandie Manzano. 53 colors. You get your toolkit with your washi tape and your cover minder, and if this is one you've been wanting, make sure you put in the comments, I want this one. And I will choose the winner in the morning next Monday before I reveal number 3. This way you'll know whether or not you can even comment, because you're only going to be allowed to be a recipient for 1. All right, guys, I hope you all have a great, 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 marvelous day, and to always be kind.